In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Notion in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to keep your schedule organized all in one place, you've come to the right spot. Notion is a fantastic tool for managing personal and team tasks, and adding a calendar can streamline your planning process even further. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got Notion open. If you're not there yet, go ahead and log in. Once you're on Notion, you'll want to navigate to a page where you wish to add this calendar. You can either select an existing page or create a new one by clicking the plus button. This page will serve as your workspace where all calendar activity can be organized effectively. Now, with your page ready, the next step involves creating a table, which is a prerequisite to setting up your calendar. So, on the page, type Table View and select the table option that pops up. If you already have a table, you're one step ahead. But if not, creating this table will give you a structure to transform into a calendar view. Once your table appears, direct your attention to the top right corner of the table. You'll see an Add Property option. Click on that. This is crucial as it allows us to customize the table to function like a calendar. From the list of properties, you will need to select the Date option. This is important because the calendar view needs a date property to organize your entries chronologically. Now, you have a date column in your table. Begin entering dates for each item in your table. This might feel a bit tedious, but it's a necessary step to transform your table data into a calendar layout. By doing this, you're essentially giving each entry a timestamp, which is critical for the calendar view to categorize your tasks or events by days. After setting the dates, it's time to switch from the table to the calendar view. To do this, move back to the main workspace in Notion and type Calendar View. Select the Calendar View option that appears. This instantly converts your table into a calendar format, offering a bird's-eye view of your events and tasks across the month. Finally, click on Calendar View to solidify this setup. Now your table is visually displayed as a calendar, and you're able to move items seamlessly between days, ensuring flexibility in your schedule. This functionality makes it a breeze to manage deadlines, reminders, or even team schedules directly within Notion. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined calendar solution right inside Notion, enhancing your productivity and organization. Enjoy your newly organized schedule, and check back for more quick Notion tips that make your life a little easier. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.